Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today?
Good afternoon, I'm good.
Thank you, Safira. Before we start today's lesson, let's pray together according to our belief. Berdoa dimulai. Finish. Okay. Thank you. Now let's check the attendance. Hari ini siapa yang tidak masuk atau hadir semua hari ini?
Gustian, Ibu.
Oh my God, Gustian tidak hadir, but it's okay. Siapa?
Sinta.
Oh my God, Sinta. Semoga Gustian dan Sinta baik-baik saja ya. It's okay. Anyway, today we're going to learn about review teks Laut Bercerita. How do you comply a review text that is critical object and well structured to help other students determine whether the novel Laut Bercerita is worth them reading? Next, let's work together to produce objective and in-depth review. Group 1 and 2 are history team. It berfokus kepada analyze how accurate and compelling the historical setting of 1998 is in this novel and its impact on young readers. Group 3 and 4, the stylist or style team. Focus analyze Leila as Chudori writing style. Is her back and forth flow and poetic yet dark diction easily understood by teenagers? The mission is what are the main strengths of the novel based on your group perspective? Number 2 is what are the weakness or most challenging or boring part for begin readers? And the last is what solution or recommendation do you have to help while magazine readers stay motivated to read this happy book?
Okay, who wants to answer the question? There's 3 questions in the mission for class.
Saya Miss mau jawab. Oke, pertanyaannya, what are the main strengths of the novel based on your group's perspective? The historian perspective, the main strength is the novel, profound historical accuracy, and its ability to humanize the victims of 1998 tragedy, unlike standard textbooks that only present cold facts and statistics. This book gives a voice, a face, and a soul of the student activists, making young readers truly understand the price of today's democracy.
Okay, thank you, Naila. Who wants to answer the second question?
Me.
Okay, silakan Dewi.
The question is, what are the weakness or most challenging or boring parts for beginning readers? Uh, the answer is the challenge of a slow and heavy plot. For beginning readers, the first half of the book can feel incredibly slow paced, heavy, and depressing. The detail and brutal description of physical torture in the military prison can be emotionally exhausting and overwhelming for a teenager who are used to light fiction. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dewi. And the last but not least question, the third question, who wants to answer? No, okay. Here I am. I want to answer the last question. The question is, what solution or recommendation do you have to help Wall magazine readers stay motivated to read this heavy book? We can add a small reading tips section in the Wall magazine. For example, we can advise beginners to focus on the deep bond or friendship in the early chapters to help them get attached to the character before the tragic event unfold. That is next.
Okay, thank you, Tiara, Naila, and Dewi for the answer the question. Next, maybe Amel can continue this slide.
Okay, the next slide is what is a review text? A review text is a type of text in English that serves or evaluate, critiques, or review a work of art, product, or event. And the next is social function. To critique or evaluate an artwork, book, or event for public audience. And the next is generic structure. The first one is orientation or pengenalan. The second is evaluation or penilaian detail. The third is interpretative record or sudut pandang and perbandingan. And the last is evaluative summation or kesimpulan akhir.
Okay, the next one is ada language features. Di sini language featurnya using focus on specific participant, using adjective or assessment adjectives. The third is using simple present tense, using metaphor and contrast conjunction. The next one is Abang who wants to presentation.
Okay, thank you. Now let's dissect the text Laut Bercerita to review. Next slide, please. Ana. Cek. Oke, sebelum kita membacanya, saya membutuhkan partisipan untuk baca bagian orientasi dari teks Laut Bercerita. Apakah ada yang bersedia?
Nih,
Oke, thank you Dewi. Oke, bisa dibaca aja di bagian orientation.
orientation. Laut Bercerita is phenomenal historical fiction novel written by the famous Indonesian author Leila S. Chudori, published in 2017. The book tells a dark, gripping story about the tragedy of student activists who fought for democracy during the New Order regime in 1998. This book has won several awards and is highly discussed among young readers today.
Okay, thank you, Safira. Okay, next I have one more to read by bagian evaluation. Apakah ada yang bersedia untuk membacakannya? Oke, tidak ada. Jadi biar saya aja yang bacanya. Evaluation. The novel is masterfully split into two emotional perspective. This first part is narrated by Biru Laut, an idealistic student activist who is kidnapped, locked in a secret prison, and brutally tortured by military officials. The second part shifts to the perspective of Asmara Jati Laut, young sister. Her side of the story beautiful capture the deep grief, hope, and everlasting struggle of the family left behind by the missing victim. Okay, boleh di next slide. Okay, now we have two paragraph, yaitu interpretative recount and evaluative summarization. Sebelum dibacakan, apakah ada yang partisipan yang ingin membacakannya atau?
Saya.
Oke, boleh Tiara dibaca di bagian.
Here I want to read the interpretative recount. Reading the first half of the book can be quite challenging because the heavy description of physical abuse feels very slow and depressing. However, as the story transitions to Asmara's viewpoint, the emotional payoff is incredibly moving. Compared to standard history textbooks that only present plain facts, this novel breathes human soul and empathy into the tragic historical event of 1988.
Okay, thank you, Tiara. Next, we have evaluative summarization. Apakah ada yang ingin membacakannya atau tidak?
Saya.
Oke, boleh dibaca di bagian evaluatif sama.
Aku.
Oke,
Saya.
boleh. Silahkan dibaca.
In conclusion, I read Laut Bercerita a perfect 5 out of 5 stars. It is not an easy read, but it is a viral masterpiece that every student should read to appraise human rights and freedom. It is highly recommended for teenagers who want to discover history, take a beautifully raw human lens.
Oke, thank you to Teh siapa Teh Amel ya? Nggak kelihatan di layar. Okay, next we moving to the class discussion. The question is, in which paragraph does the author describe the shortcomings or boring or heavy part of the book? Because we study review text not just pass an exam, but learn how to speak our truth objectively, because Biru Laut showed us society that loses its critical voice is a society that loses its freedom. To Asmara Jati, we see that when freedom of expression is violently crushed, the pain does not stop with the person who was silenced. It echoes through generational of families who are left with a permanent void, wondering where their loved ones are buried. Then, how about your opinion about this class discussion?
Me one answer, me.
Okay.
For discussion kali ini, reading the first half of the book can be quite challenging because the heavy description of physical abuse feel very slow and depressing. So in the standard review text, the interpretative recount is the perfect place to talk about the reading experience.
Okay, thank you, Teh Bulan. And the next one is the project. The class discussion now is use your glasses, history, style, or character to dissect to review the text of Laut Bercerita. Jadi tugasnya di sini adalah menggunakan kacamata kamu sendiri untuk membedah review teks mengenai novel Laut Bercerita. Dan di sini tugasnya saya akan menjelaskan sedikit. Each group will come forward and present the result of their analysis. Jadi tugas ini dikerjakan secara berkelompok sesuai tadi yang sudah ada di stimulasi, yaitu terbagi dari history group and style group. Your limited is only 3 minutes to presenting your analysis. And you can put your PowerPoint on the Padlet. Here's the link. Okay, you can download the Padlet in this link. There is some story, the story of Laut Bercerita by Leila S. Chudori, and the PowerPoint that we used to learn about today material. In here's the tugas or the assignment that you all should done. Okay. One, the strongest pieces of evidence you found in the text relevant your group's roles in the contrasting adjective or conjunction you analyze. Your job is to critique what is coming forward. Okay. Did you guys understand what the assignment is?
Understand me?
Yes. Okay. Kita sudah sampai di penghujung pembelajaran kali ini, yaitu conclusion and the reflection. And here I am for the closing. I want to ask, after analyzing the novel Bercerita, what does a good review have to mention the book's shortcoming or shortcomings? Who wants to answer my question?
Yeah.
Boleh.
Answer number one. It builds trust and credibility. If a review only praises a book like Laut Bercerita as a flawless masterpiece, the audience, especially teenage peers, might feel misled when they actually open it and encounter gruesome torture scenes or slow-paced political plot. Highlighting the flaws show the reviewer is being completely honest. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And the second question is what is the biggest lesson you learned from the story of Biru Laut and Asmara Jati about the value of freedom expression? Wants to answer the last question?
Can I answer, Miss?
Okay,
Yeah. Freedom expression is a bout with blood. The Biru Laut, we learned that the right to speak up, question to government, or gather to discussion group. Things modern students take for graded on social media every day was once a salary that cost people their lives. Freedom of expression wasn't simple headed down. It was fiercely fought by students just a few years older than them. That's the answer.
okay. Thank you for the answer. So we are coming to the last material. The closing, not the last again. Okay. The closing. Thank you for all students who come to our class today. I hope our today material can be your understanding about the Laut Bercerita novel. Okay. Thank you.